The rope?
Mm-hmm. See, that burns.
I did. That was really cool.
So, well, I'm going to do it a different way. It's got two halves, but I'm not going to bother with two halves. I'm just going to do it like this. I'm going to pour out the contents so you can see that. See that? That powder, don't touch. That powder is what makes it pop out. Because if you put a flame to this, kaboom. So the powder is what sends it all out. These are little balls of clay that are much smaller than this when they start. They roll them in special powder that burns a certain color. So this would burn. There we go.